Next up, always listening for Black Mouse. Pick up 5 radios dropped by neutralized AQ members and kill 15 hostiles marked by radios. Radios are these things here, these little items that you'll find randomly dropped by AI, and when you pick them up, you'll see enemies marked on the minimap. For me, there's nothing around here, but I will have at least got progress towards the first half, picking up 5 radios. All we need to do is that 4 times over, then killing 15 hostiles marked by radios is as soon as you activate that UAV dropped by enemies, all you need to do is run around and get as many kills as possible while it's still pinging. There'll be 3 or 4 pings before it vanishes, so it only really lasts a short few seconds, but at least you'll get 1 or 2 kills towards the goal. It's a little bit annoying as they seem to drop pretty much at random. There's no real way of controlling things, and it'll probably take you more than a few games to complete if you're solo. If you're in a team, of course, as most things are, they are shared between you, so if you activate it and you and your teammates get enough kills as quickly as possible, you could probably finish the kills at the same time you've picked up 5 radios. If you're solo, it could be a bit longer. Here's another UAV, let's activate it, and of course there's nobody around. Sweet. Another one, there we go. These 2 are marked, that's 2 more kills that count towards it. So once again, there's an example of why it may or may not work for you. It's just luck. It could take a long time. It could be done in one go. For example, over here, I'll buy a stronghold key card because this is a stronghold. I'll activate this UAV, get inside here quickly, and get a single kill. Oh well, I was hoping to get a bit more than that. Well, progress is progress, I suppose. So I still have another 4 kills to get. There's a UAV here. I don't think it'll get this last one. Nope. Close though. Still 1 more to go. Picking up the last UAV. Bam, there we go. We've now finished always loading. That took a very long time to do. It was just practically impossible to find what I was looking for. Anyways, thank you all for watching. My name's been TechNubby here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!